Good morning, students of class 7. This is the time of mathematics class. Now, today we will discuss exercise 9a, the last three questions, question number 13, 14, 15, as well as also we will discuss in exercise 9b, question number 11 and question number 12. So, totally 5 questions. Okay. So, first exercise 9a, question number 13. I am now going to discuss how you will do this. You can see here in question number 13, the question tells 15 men can build a 16.25 meter long wall up to a certain height in one day. How many men should be employed to build a wall of the same height but of length 26 meters in one day? So you can see here that 15 men. In the first case, you can see here 15 men. So men can be here deployed 15, and the wall it builds 16.25 meter. Okay. But how many men should be deployed if 26 meters of wall, that means in a height, that is not in height, it should be in the length. Okay, here 16.25 meter also in the length. Okay, so will be deployed, how many men should be deployed to make 26 meter long wall in the same day, that means in the one day. Okay, so very simple, you have to be write inventory method like as 16.25 meter long wall made by, you can write that in question number 13, write 16.25 meter 25 meter long wall made by 15 men. Okay, 15 men. So now, as it is a unitary method, so to write that 1 meter, that means less number of wall can be made, so man will be required less. Okay, that means 15 by 16.25. Okay, so now you can write that, so therefore 26 meter long wall can made. So when the length is maximum, then the man also will be required maximum. Okay, that means it will be multiplied. Okay, so it will be 15 by 16.25 multiplied by 26. Since in the numerator you can see here two decimal numbers are there, so just remove decimal and write 100 in the numerator. So write it, multiply sign, give, and then write 100. Okay, so now we have to be calculate. So 15 cancelled by 5, it will be 3. 5 3 is a 15, and this one it will be 5 3 is a 15, 5 2 is a 10, 5 5 is a 25. Okay. Next one, 3 to 5 cancelled by 25. So it will be 25 ones are 25, and 7 5 75. So it will be 25 3s are 75, and 25 cancelled 100, it will be 4. Now 13 and 26 cancel, it will be 2. Okay, clear? So after complete the calculation, you just multiply 4 2 and 3, you will get 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So 24 men should be required to complete 26 meter wall. Okay, so in this way you have to be solved question number 13. Hope that everyone understood question number 13. In this way you have to be solved question number 14 and question number 15. In question number 14, students, it tells that in a hospital the monthly consumption of milk of 60 patients is 1350 liters. Okay, how many patients can be accommodated in the hospital if the monthly ration of milk is raised to 1710 liters, assuming that the quota per head remains the same? Okay, so here we can do the same way, that 1350 liters of milk accommodate to 60 patients. Okay, now 1 liter of milk will be accommodate 60 by 1350 patients. Okay, therefore 1710 liters of milk will be accommodated 60 by 1350 into 1710. Just you will get the calculation. After getting the calculation, then you have to be answer will get. Okay, now question number 15, it tells that the extension in an elastic string varies directly as the weight hung on it. If a weight of 150 gram produces an extension of 2.8 centimeter, what weight would produce an extension of 19.6 centimeter? The same question, so it will be solved above way. Okay, now come to the next question from the next exercise. You can see here that question number 11. In question number 11, you can see here a group of 120 men had provisions means somehow foods are there for 200 days. After 5 days, 30 men died due to an epidemic. How long will the remaining food last? Okay, so you can see here 120 men had provision for 200 days. Okay, after 5 days 30 men died due to an epidemic. How long will the remaining food last? So here the hints is given. The remaining food is sufficient for 120 men for 195 days. Okay, now find out for how many days the food will be sufficient for 90 men. So students, let's see question number 11. So in the first case, here 120 men is there, and the provision of 120 men is given here 200 days. Okay, 200 days. Clear? So after 5 days, 30 men died. So the remaining men will be 120 minus 30. That means it will be 90. 90 men are there. So 120 men provisions 200 days lasting. But after 5 days, so in these 5 days they got the provision. So that means after 5 days, then it will be 200 minus 5, that means 195 days. So the remaining food for 120 men will get for 195 days. Okay, so you can write like as in this way, that 120 men, question number 11, 120 men provision is for the remaining food is 195 days, because 5 days already they got the food, 195 days. Okay, so now find out one man. Students, if one man got the same kind of foods, then the food will lasting maximum days, so it will be 195 into 120. Clear? Next one, here 30 men already died due to an epidemic, so the remaining men is 120 minus 30, that is 90. Okay, so 120 minus 30, that means 90 men provision, here 90 men in the provision will be, days will be less, so 195 into 120 by 90. Clear? Now just calculate, here 0 and 0 will be cancelled, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 and 195 cancel it, 3 6 is 18, and 3 5 is 15. When you cancel by 3 to 195, then it will be, here 3 6 are 9, 3 6 are 18, so 19 minus 18 is 1, so it will be 15, so 3 5 is 15, so 65 into 4 you will get 260 days. So 90 men get the provision up to 260 days. Okay, so in this way you have to be solved right now. Okay, so hope that you have solved, you have understood question number 11. Here question number 12 also the same type of question, so you have to be solve yourself question number 12 in this way. So today your homework will be from question number from exercise 9a question number 13, 14, 15, and from exercise 9b question number 11 and 12 you have to solve yourself. So total 5 questions. Okay, next day we will discuss chapter 10 percentage. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.